Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my video. I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel, and hope you guys will at the end like the video, because I post content every day, videos every day. So you guys, so basically, I'm just gonna show you guys my Fortnite locker and my settings, guys. So yeah, guys. I'm sorry, guys, if you guys see the Screen-O-Matic watermark. It's because OBS Studio is acting up. I don't know why. It's just not working correctly. But yeah. So going to Fortnite real quick. Alright, guys. So basically, it's the screen, and this is Battle Pass, obviously. We're gonna go to my locker. I'm gonna show you guys my locker real quick, and so codename off. And all the skins, Black Knight, Black Knight, and all these other skins. Mostly Battle Pass skins down here, but these are all item shop skins. Obviously, these are all item shop. These, yeah. So you guys, my back wings. Pause if you want to see. These are my pickaxes. I'm showing you guys them like that, cause like. You know, a lot of people been asking me to do a locker video, and I thought of doing a locker and settings videos together. So yeah, bananas obviously. But yeah, these are my contrails. Not bad. Alright, so let's go straight to the settings. Alright, so my Widow mode is on full screen. I play on a 1080p resolution, 165 FPS. I put my view distance on far and everything on off or low, to get better frames per second. So yeah. And my VSync is turned off to get better frames. My motion blur is on. Looks more cool in clips. Show FPS on. Allow multi-thread rendering. I actually don't know what that is for, but I don't know. I put an NAEast, obviously. I don't know why I keep on saying obviously. But my controller sensitivity X is on 905, and same thing for Y. My controller sensitivity for controller sensitivity targeting and scoping is the same, 355. And my controller building settings is 1710, and my edit is 1885. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, guys. So. These are my settings, and I have sprint by default on, aim assist on, edit aim assist on, turbo building on. Yeah. So yeah, these are basically my settings. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give me a like in the video if you guys liked it, and yeah, comment hello in the comment section. Now actually comment what's your favorite cereal in the comment section if you guys watched the full video. And yeah, guys, and a lot of people don't believe me that I have a Yeti microphone. I don't know why, but right there you see Yeti stereo microphone. So yeah, guys, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and peace, guys.